Tze Yong is a Malaysian badminton player. He was born on May 16, 2000 in Johor, Malaysia. NG was chosen to represent the national team in the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, replacing Lee Zii Jia, who opted to skip the games. He beat Srikanth Kidambi to score a crucial point for Malaysia, which eventually led to Malaysia winning gold at the mixed team event. NG won a bronze medal in the 2017 Asian Junior Championships boys doubles event with Tze Yong. NG won a bronze medal in the 2021 Sudirman Cup. In 2022, NG competed in the India Open and lost in the semi-finals to Lakshya Sen in 3 games. He later competed in the Badminton Asia Team Championships and delivered the point that won the Malaysian team gold when he defeated Iksan Rambe of Indonesia. NG was among the players that won a silver at the 2017 BWF World Junior Championships mixed team, and in the 2020 Badminton Asia Team Championships men's team. He won 4 Grade 3 international challenge titles through the Polish Open, South Australia International, Belgian International and Scottish Open. NG also competed in the 2020 Thomas Cup.